Hi, I'm Wendy Chang, and I'm doing a first grade lesson plan on Frog and Toad. We will be working on the sequencing part of the story. Today I'm going to read you Frog and Toad Together by Arnold Lobel. That is the author. Can you tell me what the author does?
He illustrates.
Nope, that's the illustrator. Do you know what the author does?
He
is the person who
writes the words.
Writes the words. Good job. Okay, let's read about Frog and Toad together. Let's see. One morning, Toad sat in bed. I have many things to do, he said. I will write them all down on a list so that I can remember them. And Toad wrote on a piece of paper a list of things to do today. Then he wrote, "Wake up." I have done that, said Toad, and he crossed out, "Wake up." Then Toad wrote other things on the paper. Eat breakfast, get dressed, go to Frog's house, take a walk with Frog, eat lunch, take a nap, play games with Frog, eat supper, go to sleep. There, said Toad. Now my day is all written down. He got out of bed and had something to eat. Then Toad crossed out, "Eat breakfast." Toad took his clothes out of the closet and put them on. Then he crossed out, "Get dressed." Toad put the list in his pocket. He opened the door and walked out into the morning. Soon, Toad was at Frog's front door. He took the list from his pocket and crossed out, "Go to Frog's house." Toad knocked at the door. "Hello," said Frog. "Look at my list of things to do," said Toad. "Oh," said Frog, "that is very nice." Toad said, "My list tells me that we will go for a walk." "All right," said Frog, "I'm ready to go." Frog and Toad went on a long walk. Then Toad took the list from his pocket again. He crossed out, "Take a walk with Frog." Yes?
That on the list it didn't say change the list.
We're not there yet. I think you know the story, but we'll see. Just then there was a strong wind. It blew the list out of Toad's hands. The list blew high, high, high up into the air. "Help!" cried Toad. "My list is blowing away. What will I do without my list?" "Hurry," said Frog. "We will run and catch it." "No," shouted Toad. "I cannot do that." "Why not?" asked Frog. "Because running after my list is not one of the things that I wrote on my list of things to do today." Frog ran after the list. He ran over the hills and swamps, but the list blew on and on.
It must have been strong.
Strong wind. At last, Frog came back to Toad. "I am sorry," gasped Frog, "but I could not catch your list." "Blah," said Toad. "I cannot remember any of the things that were on my list of things to do." "I will just have to sit here and do nothing," said Toad. Toad sat and did nothing. Frog sat with him.
They go to sleep.
Well, let's see. After a long time, Frog said, "Toad, it is getting dark. We should be going to sleep now."
I know that word. I know how to spell.
Good job. "Go to sleep," shouted Toad. "That was the last thing on my list." Sit down. Thank you. Toad wrote on the ground with a stick, "Go to sleep," and then he crossed it out. "There," said Toad. "Now my day is all crossed out." "I'm glad," said Frog. Then Toad and Frog went right to sleep. The end. What did you think? Did you like the story?
Yeah, kind of relaxing.
Okay, now we're going to take a look at my special board, and we're going to talk about the things that happened in the story. What is this a picture of?
A sign.
What is this?
List. that is breakfast.
Mm-hmm.
I wish I could have those bacon. I love bacon. Get dressed, go to Frog's house, and the wind blow away.
That's right.
I don't have a face.
No, that's just a silly picture of the wind. So let's take this down because what we have to do is we need to put our sentences in the right order. Because they are all mixed up. Maybe you can help me. Do you think you can help me put the things in the right order?
Yes, but could you put them like one here?
Yeah, I'm going to lay them out and you're going to help me. Okay?
Yes.
Okay, let's see. What was the first thing that Frog did? Toad, sorry.
Eat breakfast.
Oh, I don't know if that was the first thing. If we
Oh.
go back to the book,
Yes.
what was the first thing?
He made a list.
No, what is it? All right, he made his list of things to do, right? But
He
before he
waked
could do
up.
that, what did he have to do? He
Wake up.
He
I just
woke
couldn't.
up.
Could they two
The
stop
first
with
thing
up?
Toad did was he woke up. Read this for me.
Toad wake up. Wakes up. Sorry.
Very good. So what was the second thing Toad did after he woke up?
Let me see.
Look at the picture.
Toad made the list.
Very good. Read it to me.
Toad makes a list.
Toad makes a list. That is the second thing he did after he woke up. So Toad wakes up. Toad makes a list. Let's move these closer. You ready? Let's look at the picture if we need help. What is the next thing he does? Take your time.
I know that it's red because this is red.
Oh, that doesn't always go that way.
Oh.
Let's see. This says Toad walks to Frog's house. Is that what this is a picture of? Because see, Toad wakes up, we have the sun. Toad makes a list, we have our list. What is this a
Oh.
picture of?
Breakfast time.
Breakfast. So what does this say?
Toad eats breakfast.
Toad
Because
eats
it's what it was-
breakfast.
The red goes there.
Very, very good. Okay, so after he eats breakfast, what does he do?
He gets dressed.
Okay, which one says Toad gets dressed?
This one.
Very good. Toad gets
Dressed.
dressed. Excellent. Okay, what does he do next?
Walks to Frog's house.
Can you read it to me?
Toad walks to Frog's house.
Excellent. Put it on the board. Go ahead. Can you reach?
Yeah.
Good job.
Got it.
And what was the last thing that happened to Toad?
It blew the list away.
Read me what it says, please.
The wind blow the Toad list.
Beautiful. The wind blew Toad's list away. And then what happened? He had no more?
Ideas, because he already forgot them.
Right. He didn't have his list anymore. So now the next thing that we can do to remember what order everything happened is this worksheet. This is a cut and paste worksheet. We cut out each event and glue it onto the construction paper in the correct order. This way we know what happened first, next, then, and last. So what was the last thing that happened to Toad?
The list blowed away.
Right, the winds blew the list away. And what was the first thing that Toad did today?
Toad wakes up.
Beautiful, very good job. And now we can do our worksheet together. Thank you.